This video will continue to demonstrate how to use the NMC Web Monitor to obtain more host information of remote devices managed by NMC, including SMBIOS, Windows Event Log, and Device List. Let's begin by demonstrating how to obtain the SMBIOS from the remote device. On the SMBIOS main page, we can see the last updated time for the data. Let's click the Start Update button and wait for a while. After the update is completed, we can see that the time displayed above has been updated as well. Let's take a look at the latest detailed SMBIOS data just reported by NMC. Click the BIOS button on the side menu to view the supported features and other BIOS information for the device. Switch to the System category, and you can also view the information about the system. Next, our baseboard. System enclosure chassis. And various other categories. Under the processor category, we can also see that the CPU of this remote device is the Intel Core i3 series. The last information is language-related settings. Through this SMBIOS information page, we can conveniently obtain and browse the details BIOS detected during post. In the second part, we will show how to get Windows Event Log from remote devices managed by NMC. We can get 4 types of Windows events: application events, security events, setup events, and system events. Let's update the system event as an example. First, set the update level for the system event. In the level menu, there are 6 levels: verbose, informational, warning, error, critical, and log always. Each level includes other levels below it. For example, verbose includes all levels, while informational includes all levels except verbose, and so on. Here we set the update level to verbose. Next, choose to retrieve events generated after February 1st. And, do not set a limit on the number of events to obtain for now. Click Save, and then click the Update List button to start the update. And wait for a while. After the update is completed, we can see that we have obtained 285 system events since February 1st. Next, let's take a look at the detailed information of these events. There is a drop-down menu above for us to filter the events by level. We can also use the event type filter to filter events. There is also an event source filter and event generation time range filter available. Set the type to system to view the updated data. There are 285 data records. Click on the first record to view the event details. The window displays the event message on the left, and its source, level, and log generation time on the right. Next, let's look for other events generated by different levels. Here is a warning event with a message indicating it was caused by a network connection. And another error event was caused by the Windows Update service not shutting down properly. There are also other events on subsequent pages, sorted in descending order by time. If we need to update all the types of Windows events at once, we can switch to another page to do it via the link at the bottom. Through this Windows event page, we can maintain the Windows systems much easier. In this section, we will show you how to retrieve the device list information of remote devices managed by NMC. Just click the Update button to retrieve the latest device list data, and then wait for the display to update. Now, the update is completed. Next, we can take a look at the device list, displayed on the right side of the screen, which is classified by the device class. Click to expand the Human Interface Devices category. To view the devices under it, click on the HID-compliant vendor-defined device to see its properties, including the device type and hardware ID. After viewing the Human Interface Devices category, let's move on to the Network Adapters category, where again several devices are classified under it. Click on the gigabit network connection to view its detailed information. In addition to the categories we've already explored, there are also various other categories and devices available, like drives and ports. The combination of SMBIOS, Windows Event Log, and device list pages of NMC Web Monitor offers a convenient way for us to check host events that happened on remote machines and explore possible devices causing them. NMC makes maintenance tasks of remote systems even easier.